Here it is, guys, the tutorial on how to get the Cooking Diary modded version for iOS and Android, as you can see. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. So let's get straight into the video because this is fully updated, bro. So just go over to hexmods.com. This site has tons of modded apps. And once you're there, find the Cooking Diary mod. And if you don't know where it is, just search it up. You're going to see a lot of apps on here, so don't get overwhelmed. But anyway, this site is ass though, like it's really slow. But here's the Cooking Diary mod. So we're going to press the down button and it's going to start downloading the mod. So that's how you get unlimited resources, as you saw. Now, before it downloads, you are going to have to do a verification. So this just means downloading some apps, completing the instructions. They're 100% free and they're from the real app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for it to redirect me to the page. So as you can see, it says complete 2 free apps to finish installing the Cooking Diary mod. So just download 2 of the apps. The big thing is people won't read the instructions below each app. You have to read them. So like Alibaba says down, run for 30 seconds, tester up, down, install, make a 30-second call. So just press tap to install. It'll bring you to the Play Store. You download the app and you're done. And you make sure you read those instructions. And if you're on an iPhone, it's going to bring you to the App Store. But I'm using an Android, so it brought me to the Play Store. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how you get a Cooking Diary hack for 2025. Pretty awesome. I've tried many mods, but this one is the best Cooking Diary modded version. And it fully works, guys, so be sure to try it out. So let's go to the Play Store and type in Cooking Diary, and you guys will see it's really expensive. Okay, here's the game. You do not need the normal game installed, by the way. And it goes up to $100 for in-app purchases. That's insane. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and peace out.